Alright folks, let's dive right into it. Today we're talking about two game changers that can absolutely transform your life discipline and consistency. So, what exactly is discipline? Discipline is your ability to control your actions, emotions, and behaviors to stay laser-focused on your goals, even when the going gets tough. It's about making those smart choices, even when every fiber of your being wants to binge-watch that new series. And then, there's consistency. Consistency is about showing up regularly and putting in the effort, day in and day out. It's building those habits and sticking to them, rain or shine. Now, why do discipline and consistency matter so much? First up, they help you achieve long-term goals. Those small, consistent actions you take daily, they compound over time to create massive results. They also build trust. When you're consistent, people can rely on you, and you can rely on yourself. Discipline is your secret weapon against procrastination. Even when motivation is low, discipline helps you take action. Consistency, on the other hand, turns actions into automatic behaviors. You'll start doing things on autopilot. Lastly, seeing progress from your efforts boosts your confidence. It reinforces your belief in yourself and your capabilities. So how do you build discipline? First, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and why it matters. Break those big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Create a routine. Establish a daily schedule that aligns with your goals and prioritize tasks that move you closer to your objectives. Practice self-control. Avoid distractions like social media or procrastination, and learn to say no to things that don't align with your goals. Start small. Focus on one habit at a time. Maybe commit to reading 10 pages a day or exercising for 15 minutes. And reward yourself. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Positive reinforcement makes disciplined behavior stick. Now, how do you stay consistent? Focus on progress, not perfection. It's okay to have off days. What matters is getting back on track. Track your habits. Use a journal, app, or calendar to monitor your progress. Seeing your streak can motivate you to keep going. Set realistic expectations. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many goals at once. Start with manageable actions and build from there. Find accountability. Share your goals with a friend or join a community with similar objectives. Accountability keeps you on track. Remind yourself of your why. Reconnect with the reason behind your goals when motivation wanes. Visualize the long-term benefits of staying consistent. Examples? Sure. Fitness. Going to the gym 4 times a week even when you're tired. Learning. Spending 30 minutes daily studying a new skill or language. Work. Completing tasks on time and maintaining high-quality standards. Relationships. Regularly checking in with loved ones and showing appreciation. And I'll leave you with some motivational quotes. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Abraham Lincoln. Small daily improvements are the key to staggering long-term results. Robin Sharma. Remember, discipline and consistency are like muscles. They grow stronger with practice. Start small, stay focused, and trust the process. Over time, these two traits will transform your life and help you achieve your biggest dreams. Let me know if you'd like help creating a plan. Catch you next time. Cheers!